What does children of wrath by nature mean in Ephesians 2:3? Is it, as certain restoration apologists say, that one becomes this way by repeated use, that it becomes your nature? Here we see in the verse, among which also we all walked formerly in the lust of our flesh, continually doing the desires of the flesh and of the mind. This is not a passage only to Gentiles, as the COC may claim. Every believing Jew was in the same condition, where it says we all. And the apostle goes on to say, and we were children by nature destined for wrath. Question: if this means one becomes a child destined for wrath by committing sin till it becomes habitual, what are you if you only commit one sin? Would you not then be outside of this category that the apostle is talking about? Would any COC apologist say with Paul that he was these things, where we all walked formerly in the desires of our flesh, continually doing these desires? Would anyone in this camp actually agree with Paul that everyone within the body believers used to be in this state? And he also says, as also the rest. All believers are not excluded from this category. We came from the same source and are no better. It took radical intervention, a radical restoration, a radical salvation to bring about the salvation of the believer in the worldview of the Apostle Paul.